Whether you're just starting your channel or you already have an established channel, one of the things that you want to do, as well as what YouTube wants you to do, is encourage your viewers to watch more of your videos. And there's many different reasons for this, but if you're growing your channel, having more views is going to help you to grow and get you eligible for monetization quicker. And when you have an established channel, or if you already are monetized on your channel, then you're going to be able to make more money because people are going to be watching more of your videos. So encouraging your audience to watch other videos that are related to the topic of the current video is going to help you grow your channel. One way you can do that is through something called end screens. Before we go on, if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more visibility tips to grow your YouTube channel. So here I am in my YouTube studio. I'm going to go into one of my videos. And if you scroll down, there is something here called end screen. And there's two ways to get there. One is right here on the back end page when you first go into the video. The other way to access end screens is to go here on the left side. There's something called editor. And there you can also add an end screen and also info cards. Info cards are like if you have a video related to something that you're talking about in your video, you can add an info card that's going to pop up and show up here in your video during the video. But that's not what we're talking about today. Actually, that's a good secondary tip, but what we're actually talking about today are end screens. So let's go back to this screen where the easiest is just to go into the end screen section right when you go in to edit the video. And so what end screens do is it allows your audience to click on a particular video, either a video that you specifically choose for that video, like let's say a related topic or a continuation of whatever the topic is of the current video, or you can even do what's best for the viewer. So I typically like to specifically assign a video that's related to that topic. And if there isn't anything that's actually related to the topic at hand, then maybe I'll do a best for viewer, but usually I'll do a specific topic. So what you're going to want to do, I already have one selected here. So I'm going to go ahead and delete these and show you what happens when you first go in to create an end screen. It has these like templates that you can use as options. So you have import from last video. So I usually start with that because a lot of my videos are on the similar topics. You can do as a default one video and a subscribe. Unfortunately, you can't just have the subscribe button. You have to have at least one other element like a video or a playlist. Here's a playlist and subscribe. Now the thing is, I know that here it's almost like, oh, here it's video and playlist. They look similar. You can actually move the elements around. So don't worry about, oh, it has to fit that specific mold, that specific template. Here's two videos and here the videos are a lot larger. This option here is one video, one playlist, one video, one playlist, one subscribe. So you can have multiple elements. So let's just say we want to try this one right here. You can move these around on the screen. So they just can't be overlapping, but you can move these around. Like you could put both videos on one side and then a subscribe on the other side. So this is actually a video. And what you'd want to do is you can have the most recent upload, which will always change as you upload more videos. You could do best for viewer, which is based on the algorithm for the viewer. Usually what I've noticed is that the best for viewer is typically your most recent video. So a lot of times it is the most recent one that you upload. That's just what I've noticed for my videos. And that's probably why I like to choose a very specific video. And here, then you can choose if there's a recent video you've done, or you can search for a video. Let's say this video was about Jada Pinkett Smith. So maybe I want to add another video here that's related to that topic. And then you can actually adjust the time. So right now it is about 20 seconds. You can adjust this as you please. The shortest time period is 5 seconds. So a lot of times, like when I put this on shorts, I usually put it as short as possible just because the video end screen takes up a lot of space on a short. But on a regular video, I usually keep it the full time. Or if I specifically say something like, you're going to want to watch this video, and then I'll put it, I might have it pop up right when I say this video. I might have it pop up right then. Like, let's say if that's in like 15 seconds or something like that. So then the other option here, you've got a playlist. Now you don't have to have the playlist. You could just have one video or two videos or multiple videos. But I think a playlist could be good if you've got a series of content in that specific topic, or if the video is one of a series that is in a playlist, then you can click here and then you have the option to add whatever the playlist is that you want related to that topic. So end screens are just one tool, one feature that's built into YouTube and very specific to YouTube that you can use to increase the views of your channel. And if you want to learn more about how to grow the views on your channel, you may also enjoy this video. For more help growing your visibility and monetizing your brand, go to alexanderfigueredo.com. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. Thank you.